Okay, I promised Capezio tutorial. Excuse me if I don't pronounce it correctly. If I didn't pronounce it correctly. So I guess for this move, so the pre-requirements, you need to be able to climb the pole, right? You need to be able to climb and stay on the pole in this position. If you need tutorial on how to climb the pole, you can let me know in the comments section below. So for today, we need to be able to do ballerina, right? So Capezio is same actually as the ballerina, just you extend one lower leg, just extend it and keep it straight. See how we do ballerina. So we climb the pole first, then follow forward, then one hand goes behind, one on the pole, grab the feet behind you and extend the another hand that was on the pole, right? I'm gonna change my sides. So one leg behind the pole, one on the front of the pole, then we fall forward, then we slide our upper arm behind the pole, lower arm on the pole, grab back foot and extend another arm. So how I like to think is, so one, right? One leg on the pole behind, another one on the front, and I need to. Actually, it helps that when the hands also in the right position. So if, what is that? Left leg behind the pole, then left arm is at the bottom of the pole, and the right one is on the top. So because this is like when how we do when we are climbing. So in this way, you just can stand and fall in front of the pole, then switch arms. You need to get in this position eventually. So upper, like left hand on the pole on the top and right on the bottom, then grab the left leg behind you and extend the another arm. So again, let's do again. So now right leg on the pole, behind the pole, right arm at the bottom, left at the top, and the left leg closing, right? So now we stand up and we, arms still on the pole, we fall to the front. Now we slowly change the arms position. You see, you could do like me. You can do just one arm switch, then another one arm switch. Once you're here, it's already easier. You just need to bend your upper arm, grab the leg, and extend another arm. We can do ballerina already. This is basically ballerina. You can train ballerina from the pole from the bottom, without climbing, so that you first understand how it's working. I will do like this. So if you're training in ballerina from the floor, again, one leg on the front. So you just try to imitate. You fall down. You change arms. Now you see, slide the upper arm behind the pole. It should be comfortable. In this position, you already should feel secure enough. Then just extend and grab the leg. This is our ballerina from the floor. Okay, let's do again. Another feet. So left at the front, left, then, okay, yes, then left at the up to Then we slide to the front. We change our arms in this position and should be already comfortable for you. Push with bottom arm and hold yourself with upper arm. Just, 90-degree angle. Here you feel insecure, you grab the leg and extend the free arm. All right, so ballerina, we already can do it, right? Actually, this could be a tutorial for both ballerina and Capezio. I will demonstrate it. Not extend the arm, extend the leg. So, all right, again, we know this already. Change hands, get in the comfortable position, grab the leg, and extend the bottom leg. This not easy to get the angle so that you can see it. Start from here again, backward, forward. Hang here, grab the leg, extend, and yeah, that's it. Actually, so that's all the Capezio tutorial. So the most important thing, you need to be able to climb the ballerina, and Capezio is already like guaranteed. So okay, girls, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you need, what you want me to do a tutorial about next time.